How to download TurboTax app and guide to use it. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download TurboTax app on your device and how you can use that. Now, TurboTax is a software package for preparation of American and Canadian income tax returns produced by Intuit. If you want to download this application, all you want to do is open up Play Store on your Android device. If you are using iOS device, you want to open App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Then on the search bar, you want to search for TurboTax. Now from the search results, you want to select this application right here, which is TurboTax. You simply want to tap on the install button over here. Now the downloading will begin. After the downloading has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. Once it has been installed, you want to launch open the TurboTax app on your device. Now, on the home screen of the application, you want to first of all sign into your TurboTax account. For that, enter your credentials. Once you have been signed into your account, you can easily file your return using the application. You can use the app to file or switch back and forth between TurboTax Online and the app. With the mobile app, you can use your mobile phone camera to snap a picture of your W-2 and other documents. Your info will be automatically entered in your return. You can use your face to sign in instead of having to remember a password. You can also get filing reminders and updates on the form availability and refund status. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.